What questions to ask? I thought you would just give a bit of a general view of it.
Tell me when I saw it.
Yeah, you can start.
Okay, good afternoon. This is like a little bit of an idea about what Real World Connections program is. We usually call it RWC. Now, the program is trying to solve a main problem in education. As we know that a lot of students get less motivated when it comes to STEM field. So we incorporated STEM with art and business. We put all these together and we created a multidisciplinary experience that allows the students to make their learning highly motivational, connected to fun, connected to an entertaining experience that they would start by signing up for a course that will become a project. It's a real world project to solve a real world problem, and then that will become a product that they will produce and present it at the end of the semester to a panel of industry judges and then get rewarded for that. The program has started more than 20 years ago, and during this program we were able to enhance the experience of the students through a year-long number of programs all the way from fall to summer. We have virtual leadership programs. We have regular traditional programs that will include many tracks and courses, anything from web development to Python, to creating movies, to building animation, 3D modeling, through AI and robotics, through Python, Java, everything you can imagine in computer science, in technology, in network engineering, even including a Cisco Academy, expanding that to even an international version out of the country, which was very successful almost for 10 years. So the program does give the students a unique educational experience where they are always having fun while they're learning, using projects to empower their experience, working sometimes with companies and industry, or starting their own business through some entrepreneurial approaches. So the program would start with an open house, would conclude with a final showcase presentation where we invite the public, the schools, the parents, and everybody to look at their accomplishments and enjoy their experience. The program has been awarded with several main awards, including a national award that the program contributed to in 2007 by Carnegie Foundation. It has been awarded by the state award that was given to the program by the governor, the former governor of the state of New Jersey. The program has reached incredible reputation through NJIT, through the city of Newark, and of course has been endorsed by many executives and key people in industry and community. We're very happy to see that RWC has become a powerhouse and a cornerstone in our YWCC college education, and also enhanced our outreach programs beyond NJIT. And through NJIT resources, we were able to accomplish a lot and make a huge difference in students' lives as they are highly motivated to work on STEM-related experiences and unleash potentials and do work in an environment that's unlike anything else, something that has been a huge, that has introduced a huge experience to many students across many school districts to give them a real-world experience and learn about things that they would never learn anywhere else. Thank you.